welcome back to my channel. So in this video I wanted to just focus on my shampooing and conditioning routine, and the reason I wanted to do that is because you guys kind of overlook when we do talk about wash days, and I really wanted to kind of just have a video dedicated to shampooing and conditioning because this is honestly the most important part of your wash day routine. I know a lot of you guys follow me for my killer combos, but none of those killer combos are going to work if your hair is not properly moisturized. So that is what this video is going to be about. So I did use Mish products, and I will have them in the description bar, and I also have a 10% off coupon if you guys want to check that out. It'll be down below. Yeah, I'm gonna hop in the shower and I'm gonna show you guys my shampooing, my deep conditioning, and actually look at my techniques that I'm using when I'm detangling, when I'm not detangling, and all that good stuff. So I hope you guys really take this video in and kind of take in some of my techniques, because it's really, like I said, y'all, I cannot stress it enough. It's really important that you guys know how to properly moisturize your hair. You have to add a ton of water. You have to add products with a ton of water. When you are applying products, you have to literally have 80% water and 20% product. Like, most of your hair should be drenching, soaking wet, because that is where you get most of your moisture. Water is a source of moisture. So I do want you guys to kind of take all of that in and understand that. So you guys are going to see me go through shampooing, conditioning, deep conditioning, all that good stuff. So if you are interested in seeing my routine, my wash day routine, then just keep watching. All right, I hope y'all wasn't paying attention to my edges in that video because I haven't tied up my hair yet, so whatever. But anyway, my hair is super dry, as you guys can see. It's like super dry. So of course, we're gonna start off with water. And I just put a little color, y'all. I was just playing in color. Don't ask why these little purple things here. It had no purpose. But first, you want to start off by drenching your hair in water. As you guys can see, I'm like lifting my hair, like kind of. You like really got to get that water in there, girl. Like, I am not kidding. Make sure that hair is like so straight, so wet that it's so straight. Okay. So now I'm just sectioning off my hair. I do like to section off my hair when I'm shampooing, but as y'all about to see, friend, I put too much shampoo. You guys, you don't even need, like, watch how much I put. Look at it. I bet y'all like, that ain't that much, girl. Girl, watch how this shit spreads. Like, oh my God. This shampoo is from Mish Beauty. You guys know I love me some Mish, but y'all, a little bit goes an absolute long way. You don't need a lot, okay? So make sure you do not use a ton. So I'm just trying to, you know, put it on the rest of my hair. Normally, like I said, I just section off my hair to shampoo, but since I use too much, I gotta just spread it all over my hair, and so I ended up just shampooing my whole head. But make sure you are cleansing your scalp, you guys. Like, I know a lot of you like to do co-washes, but you have to shampoo your scalp. It's going to promote a ton of hair growth. And when you are co-washing, a lot of oils are left on your scalp, and that's not necessarily a good thing because oils attract dirt, and then your pores and stuff get clogged. So I suggest that you guys make sure you incorporate shampooing into your routine. And this is a very moisturizing shampoo, so it's not going to strip a lot of the oils out of your hair. So as you see, I'm really cleansing my hair and the length of my hair because I do a lot of product reviews. So if I am co-washing a lot, then it's kind of altered. So I make sure that I do shampoo my hair every time I do a review. So just letting y'all know, friend, I got you covered. When I'm doing product reviews, I have nothing in my hair but, you know, a fresh shampoo, a fresh conditioner, fresh deep conditioner. I always make sure my hair is clean previously. So I'm just sectioning off my hair again, of course, because I had to take my section down with the shampoo. And I'm gonna go in with the deep conditioner. And y'all know I love this deep conditioner. And I was just showing you guys the oil. I do like to add some of their oil to the deep conditioner because it just adds that last little oomph to it. And I'm just applying the product now. As you guys can see, I am starting to go from the roots and work my way down. I used to go from the ends and work my way up, but I realized my roots were getting a lot puffier than the rest of my hair. I feel like we're always told to go from the ends because it's the oldest
hair, but honestly, I feel like my roots don't be as moisturized as the rest of my hair, so I have to kind of moisture train it because I've moisture trained the rest of my hair. So my philosophy is to add things now to the roots and work my way down. And I've realized that I actually use less product when I do that because it's kind of like the whole shampoo effect. It's like once you go to the roots, it kind of gradually makes its way down to the shaft of your hair. So I use less product, and I feel like it's helping with the longevity and the moisture of my roots when I'm doing my wash and goes and all that too. So as you guys can see, I'm just finger detangling with this deep conditioner. It has so much slip, you guys, and I like to just get under the water, add more water, add more deep conditioner, and I just like to make sure that my hair is just moisturized, you guys. Like, as you can see, my curls are looking like waves right now because they are moisture down to the ground. Baby! I'm sorry, I don't even know the words, y'all. But anyway, just finger detangling my deep conditioner through, and as you guys can see, my hair is looking good already, okay? You could say it don't, but I know you hating, you know what I'm saying? But I'm just giving you guys a little face, a little twirl, a little whirl. But nah, for real though, I'm done with this deep conditioner, so gotta get that little bit, friend. Get that hey, she got it. She got it. Okay, Kim, I see you, girl. All right, so I am completely done adding my deep conditioner, and I just wanted to give you guys a look at my hair, just, I don't know, up and close and personal, because I feel like I don't show you guys this enough. So I just wanted to show you guys what my hair kind of looks like from the back. But I am now going to put my hair up, and I'm going to put on a plastic cap, then sit under the dryer for about an hour. But you guys, after I got from the shower, y'all, I really sat in this deep conditioner for about 5 hours. And y'all know, I know I shouldn't have done that, but my hair was fine. So I'm Gucci. But I did want to let y'all know that your girl kind of was in it for a long time. Like, look. Y'all could tell it had done dried out, right? But look at the shrinkage on my hair, you guys. That is how you know your deep conditioner has done its job. Shrinkage is health. So, of course, you want to rinse out your deep conditioner, and this is actually something I don't do often. I'm only detangling in this stage right here because I do plan on doing a twist out. So, when I do want to do a twist out, I want to make sure my hair is extra detangled. So, I use some type of tool, and I'm using the Tangle Teaser to do, but majority of the time, if I'm in the shower, I'm always finger detangling. So, I'm going in with the Miche Lavish Leave-In Conditioner. This is very important. You guys know I stress this. If you have low porosity hair, it is best to add your leave-ins while you're in the shower. This is where you get most of your moisture, and I like to just twist my hair up because, of course, I come into the camera to show you guys a little bit later. So I like to make sure, look at it, all that moisture is going to stay in that little twist area, and I'm good to go. So I just want to make sure that you guys really know this is what you actually have to do, and you have to do this repetitively, not once. I do this weekly, you guys. Well, I do it a lot more than weekly, but you guys should do this same routine weekly, and over time you will see that your hair starts to retain a lot of that moisture, and your wash and goes and your twist outs and your braid outs get a little bit easier, detangling gets a little easier, and all that good stuff. So that's pretty much it, you guys. I wanted to make sure that you guys really took the time to understand my wash day. I really hope you guys enjoyed it.
Okay, you guys, so that is the end of my wash day routine. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, I will have a coupon code for Miche in the description bar so that you guys can check that out if you are interested in purchasing. Oh, and this video is not sponsored, by the way. I just love them so much. This is just the products that I love to use on my hair for moisture. Like, this is a line that is specific for adding moisture. If you are a person that is actually suffering from dry hair, Miche Beauty is actually the most moisturizing brand that I know of, so that's why I did want to include them in this video and just kind of use their product. I am going to be showing you guys this twist out on Monday. I know you guys are like, girl, you don't even do twist outs. No, I do not, but I will have this video up on Monday. So if you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that button, that subscribe button. Also hit the bell so that you can be notified once that video goes live. But if you guys didn't know, I post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So, I mean, you could just be here or whatever, or you can wait for the bell to tell you. But my real OGs actually already be here at 12. They be like ready, okay? So I hope you guys really like this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Mwah.